dryer.
So we bought this kit a couple months ago. I've gotten a couple before. They last about 2 years on your vehicle for on-road use, even though you're technically not supposed to use them. Mostly like for car show and showing off for your friends and shit, you know, your normal shit. But for 20 bucks, these things are pretty cool. Nothing special. You get about 7 colors with them. It's got different flash modes and stuff. Get a nice little controller. And we'll be adding these little LED light bar strips for the backup lights on the truck, so I can see the rear winch. So we ended up putting these on the truck for the logging truck, so I had extra lighting for when I'm out in the woods at night. It's definitely nice. It lights up around the truck. We'll go check that out now. But I'll mostly probably be using this color while I'm out working at night when it gets dark, until the sun comes all the way back. We'll see how long this set lasts on this truck for being in the woods. Probably rip it off pretty quickly. But it is nice to have some colored lights. Gotta have some fun every once in a while. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.